Hi. Athemba wonke ku-right. Namhlanje ngifuna ukuyenza nje i-daily bias, yabona. So as you can see la, yabona. It's currently manje South African time 16:27. So daily um daily chart yabonisa la ukuthi kwenzakaleni 16:28 now. But anyways, i-price action yenzeni i-body close above the previous day's candle, yabona na i-previous day, and then yabona le candle yenzeni i-body close above yona. So nala we can expect ukuthi i-price yenzeni go above. Same thing on the GBP side. So went to the hourly to see more bullish closure, mara ayikabi khona. So for now, not taking the trade, waiting for a bullish, confirmation to the upside. Then ngiyaku lower time frame ukuthatha i-trade call. Ngibonga isikhathi sakho for watching this video. Sharp.